Hey everyone, welcome to the North Indian South Indian reactions. So in this video I'm going to share a little bit about what is sambrani. So sambrani is actually a type of clay. So when this sambrani is burnt, there is a lot of fumes generated, and these fumes have a lot of healing properties, and it is extensively used to dry newborns' hair or the hair of women after delivery, like whenever they have a hair wash. It has a very fragrant smell as well. Usually when we enter a house where there's a newborn, the whole house usually smells with sambrani. So today we'll see a little bit about how sambrani can actually be used in our homes. What is the process of using it? What is the cost of sambrani? Where to get it? And how it can benefit small kids as well as ladies who have just given birth as well. Sambrani is available in packaged boxes, and today we are using the Pancharatna cup cones. This is a box of 12 cups, and it has all natural material. It's made of clay, and inside you can find the sambrani. This box of 12 costs 96 rupees. It is usually available in shops around temples or where we get puja items. Since we use one per week, this usually lasts 3 months. Now to light this sambrani, it takes some time because it has to get heated and then start generating fumes. This can be lit using the help of a lamp, or you can also use a gas stove, and this has to be held in position for at least 30 seconds for it to start responding to the heat. One can also use a matchstick and light the sambrani, and again it takes around 30 seconds to 45 seconds for it to light up. Once it's lit for long enough, the content inside starts boiling and the fumes begin to appear. Once there are adequate fumes, and you can sort of blow some air on this to generate more fumes, we take a little bit of turmeric, a pinch of turmeric powder, some ajwain seeds, and dried garlic peels. Not the main part of the garlic, but just the dry garlic peels. And this is added onto the sambrani for medicinal effect. So as the sambrani burns, the turmeric, ajwain and garlic peels also burn for a fragrant medicinal effect. These fumes are used to dry the baby's hair after a wash, since we really can't use hair dryers or take the baby directly into the sun. And this is a very fragrant way and also medicinally beneficial to prevent infections. These fumes also add a lot of warmth, and the baby sleeps very well. It is dried with these fumes after a hair wash. This is not really used after regular bath and is used only after a hair wash for the baby. One usually takes the sambrani and walks around the house so that the whole house has medicinal effect which prevents insects from coming nearby or prevents infections, and there's a very fragrant smell around the whole house. After the sambrani is burnt, this is how the residue looks like, and you have to wait for it to cool down and then you can discard it. The West, I think, is yet to discover the benefits of sambrani. So if there's someone who wants to start propagating this in the West, I'm sure they'll adopt it, like how West has now adopted turmeric or moringa leaves. So they might even discover sambrani sometime soon. But this is a very traditional practice and very common in India, and hope that you all benefit from this video as well.